with Jacob's Hunting and Cooking Show. We are back at it again, doing what we're gonna call, I guess, what they call as a butterfly steak cut. We're using the back strap of my deer that I shot this year. The seasonings that we're gonna be using in the middle of it, you're gonna roll it up like kind of like a pumpkin roll after you got it cut out and stuff. We'll have that. I'll have doing that here in a minute. We have some feta cheese. We got 2 boxes for feta cheese. We have some some sweet and smoke seasoning. It smells real good. That would be real good. And after that, we're going to add a little, some red pepper flakes to give that little spice to it in the middle. After we get it all good and stuff, and also we're going to also put green and red pepper and onions in it too. I'm going to go ahead and fry them, you know, get them fried and stuff then, so we can put them in the middle of it. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. We're going to be making a butterfly steak cut, so stay tuned and we'll get this all done. Alright, now we're over here at the stove. Right now I already got the fire going and stuff like that. I got my pan. I'm going to be frying these in. Let's see. Right now we're going to go ahead and use this oil cooking spray. It's good. I love using this. Go ahead and spray a little bit in there. Let that get all good and soaked and stuff. We're going to go ahead and open this. All these peppers and onions. Oh, great. We don't have to use this whole bag. We don't have to use this whole bag, but we're going to use probably roughly maybe half of it. All depends how many butterfly steaks y'all want to make. If you want to make like 2, I would suggest the whole bag, but I'm going to do half of it because I'm only making 1. Get my wooden spoon and gotta go here. Yeah, wooden spoon. Yeah, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to add a little bit more spray on these. Then, I'm going to come over here. Let all that in. I'll tell you what, we're going to go ahead and mix all this in. Mix that in. You reckon you want to keep this, these are going maybe 2 or 3 minutes, I think for sure. Whenever you feel like they're done and ready to be done and used. So we're gonna let that sit, and we're gonna go back over here and cut the back strap into a butterfly cut, and get it all ready and stuff, and we'll get right back in. Alright, back over here on the station, this cutting board. Now, we're going to take a piece of deer. Now we're going to take our beautiful back strap here. We're going to go ahead and cut this up. This other piece of meat that I have on here, we're probably just going to cut it up and use it for fry and stuff for tomorrow. But anyway, you want to go ahead and take your knife. You want to go ahead and barely, you want to get as close as the bottom of the cutting tray as you can. And just cut along there. Just like that. Just want to keep flipping it. Keep cutting. Till you get that good. A good cut. Just keep rolling it out. We'll just keep rolling this out here. Don't want to cut down too far. Or you won't get a pretty decent cut. Some people might do it better than I would, but I mean, it's my first time doing this one, so. And I mean, it's not the best, but it works. Go ahead and just come out more here. You can. Technically, you don't want any holes in it. Me, this is my first time doing the butterfly. I mean, so far, to me it looks good. I know some people probably might judge, but it's alright. Well, since we got it all cut out and stuff, it ain't the best. But it'll do. Alright, well, we got it all cut out and everything. After the peppers and stuff gets done, we'll let me square this off real quick. After the peppers get done, we'll go ahead and put the feta cheese on it. We'll go ahead and put the feta cheese and stuff on it. Then after that, we'll roll it up. Thank you. Alright, back at it again. Now, the peppers are done. Now we're going to go ahead and put the feta cheese on it. I mean, you can put any kind of cheese on it, but I like putting feta cheese. I like feta cheese, so we can go ahead and put that on there. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and pick it all up and put it on here. Combo it up here. But you can also add some people likes to put cottage cheese or any kind of cheese will work. Any kind of cheese will work. Alright. Now we got the feta cheese on there. Now we're just gonna sprinkle some seasoned smoke on there. Give it that little, that little good taste. Then after that, we're gonna add the pepper. Actually, tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and add these. Then we'll add the peppers on top of the thing. All right. All right. Looks good so far. Alright. Tell you what, we got a little bit too much peppers. We got a little bit too much pepper on there, but anyway. I'm gonna save that for later for something else. But anyways, alright, we got our peppers on here. Now, we're gonna go ahead and add the red pepper. Sprinkle some of that on there. Just give it that good taste, that bump up taste. Now, clean up my area here a little bit better. Got our pan and stuff. Also, another thing you'll probably need is cooking twine. I got this at Walmart for like $1 or however much it was. I think it was $1, yeah. Got it for $1. That's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and roll it up. You want to try to get this tight as you can, as possible. And it's alright if some things fall out. If some of it falls out, it's fine. It's okay. As long as you got that in there and stuff, should be alright. Alright. Now, we got our beautiful butterfly steak. Go wash my hands real quick. The #1 key is always to wash your hands. Some people like using gloves. Which at me, I don't have gloves right now, so. Anyways, alright. We got it all ready. It's all wrapped up. Now, now we are going ahead and tie this up. So you can give that good, beautiful look when it comes out of the oven. You want to put it like, I guess, at least six of these strings on there. At least put a little bit, 6 of them on there. And after you do that, just go ahead and cut off the excess. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. I'll get back to you as soon as I get done with this. Alright, well, we got our, we got it all good and prepped. Now we're going to go ahead and put it on this right here, this pan. And we're going to stick it in the oven. What we're going to do is you want to put the temperature and preheat it around at, I think it was 355, yep. Then you want to leave it in there roughly around 40 or 45 minutes, and pull it out and check the temperature. If you have a temperature gauge thing, you want to stick it in the fattest part of the meat, not fattest, but the thickest part of the meat, and make sure it's roughly around to like. But yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and spray down the pan, you know, so it won't stick. Now, what we're going to do on top, we're going to go ahead and take our smoked seasoning again. Just, you know, sprinkle it over the top of it. Rub it in a little bit. Then, after you do that, you can put a little bit of peppers on top of it. Have more good spice taste. Alright, now it's all ready to go. Put it in the oven. We're just going to set it right here and stuff. I had to put a string over top of it. After I put my 6 layers of strings, I had to put some string over top of it because it was kind of falling apart. I guess I didn't do too well. But hey, it's my first time doing it. Lesson learned. Next time I'll do better. Now we're going to go ahead and go over to the oven and stick it in the oven, and we're going to go ahead and wait roughly around about, give or take about 40 or about 45 minutes. Then come back and check and see what the temperature is. See you then. Hey, back at it again. I just went ahead and cut up that little piece, that little piece of backstrap that I had left over. So I just went ahead and just fried it, and it tastes amazing, amazing. And Chris, tell you what, come over here, try a piece of this, and tell the camera what you think about it and stuff.
Wow, this is good. This is really good.
It's real good.
Follow that recipe, it's good.
Well, you heard it from him. It was damn good. Pardon my language, but you know, it is. But it's really, really good. Alright, a couple more in there. Ready about to come out. And here in a little bit, we're going to check on our this is so good I can't even talk. Sorry. I got our butterfly steak in the oven. It's been a little bit. It's probably been roughly around, I got 1 more minute to check on it and pull it out and see what temperature is at. But we're gonna go ahead and look at it in the oven. Man, look at that steak. Starting to look good. It's coming together real well. Can't wait to try it. Well, it just got done. It's good. Also, I wanted to put it on the video of what temperature you need to cook it at. You want to cook it around at least, I don't know if I put this in the video yet, you want to cook it, the temperature you need to put, that whenever you take it out, you think it might be done after 45 minutes. The temperature of the inside of the meat needs to be around 140. Mine came out around 160 or 150 158, which that's good. Around 158 is fine, and 160 is fine. But usually you want to cook it around, get it to the temperature around 140 or 145. But we're going to go ahead and take the knife and we're going to cut into this beautiful butterfly steak, and we're going to show you what it looks like on the inside and stuff. And after that, we're going to taste test it. What you want to do is just, just let the knife do the work. Alright. There we go. Look at that. It's so good. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. I just went ahead and just took off the ropes, the cooking twine. Went ahead and took them off before I made the, before I cut into it. But now we're gonna go ahead and taste test it and stuff. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try this beautiful venison butterfly steak. Now we're going to go ahead and cut into it. Try a piece. Alright. Get all them peppers and stuff in there. Very good. Very, very good. Them red peppers give it a little kick. I don't have any other words to say. That is just so good. So good. But yeah, the little recipe I use is that I put in it, just to give it more out there on my video. It's red peppers and green peppers and onions, feta cheese. You want to put the feta cheese down first, get it all on the thing. Feta cheese, and add a little bit of seasoning, and red pepper, the smoked seasoning. I will post a picture on there of the seasonings that I use. Then just roll it up like a pumpkin roll. It's just so good, real good. I am excited how it turned out to be. And I'll tell you, that is so good. Alright, well, I was getting close to the end of this video. Next video, I know I promised I said I'll make a good hamburger video first, but I wanted to go ahead and try this one. My next one will be hamburger, I promise. But yeah, if you already haven't, subscribe, like, and comment down below of what you think about this recipe, about the butterfly steak. Okay. But yeah, it's just so good, so good. But yeah. All right, well, we'll catch you later. See ya.